Hello everybody, and welcome to another exciting training video brought to you by your Hudson Bay Safety Team. Today we're going to talk about the inspection and proper installation of a beam strap or a tie-off adapter or D-ring. The first thing you want to do with any piece of fall protection equipment before you use it is inspect it. So when we're inspecting this, we have a large D-ring up here that we're going to inspect. We're going to make sure it doesn't have any cracks, deformities, corrosion, or burrs. Make sure we don't identify any. When we're inspecting our stitching, we want to make sure we don't have any cut or pulled threads. When we get down to the manufacturer's labels, we want to make sure that they are present and that they are clearly legible. The other thing we want to do is make sure that the annual inspection's been completed for the last calendar year. If it has not, please get with your company competent person to do so. When we get down here to the actual strap, we have this 3-inch wide piece right here. This is called the pad protector. And then we actually have the fall rated portion here. What we're looking for when we're inspecting this is to make sure that we don't have any cuts, any frays, any excessive discoloration, or any type of soilance on it. Things like caulking, paint, or anything like that. Okay, when we get down here to the small D-ring portion, again, we're going to inspect our stitches to make sure we don't have any cut or pulled stitches. When we're inspecting a metal eyelet, we're going to make sure that we don't have any cracks, deformities, corrosion, or burrs. We're going to inspect both sides of the strap. And again, we're just making sure we don't have any of those things that would make this unserviceable. Our strap is serviceable. Now, when you go to install this out in the field, we want to make sure that we attach this to a piece of structural steel, a concrete girder, or something that will support up to 5,000 pounds of a load. We never want to connect it to piping or conduit or a guardrail system or anything like that. Okay, when we go to install this properly, what we're going to do is we're going to route this over the top with our labels facing out and our pad protector against the material. We'll pass the little eyelet through the big eyelet and choke that up just like that. Now, if for some reason we need to take up excess of length, the proper way to do that is to pass the beam strap back over the top of itself and then back through the actual big D-ring, and we would dress that up and snug that up properly. Now, if we have to go through again, we'd go back through itself one more time, and we would go back through the big eyelet and pull that down. Now, we're able to take our connector, make a single point connection to our anchorage, and this is a properly installed beam strap fall protection system.